I'm happy to fight him whenever. So whenever Woodstock's ready, and if it could be 6 weeks, 6 months, 12 months, I'm not bothered. Just ring Carl, and then we'll sort it. And then that gives him all the options to whenever he wants it, he can have it. Because I think for me personally, it'd be an easy earner, and it'd be great for Leicester, I suppose, wouldn't it?
So that's what you're saying. You're basically saying you will fight me whenever you.
I was going to fight you in 2 days' time.
Bro, I would have fought you for free. I'm not bothered. I would have fought you in the amateurs. Do you not remember?
Sounds like
come on,
this is.
So you can't backtrack now. Everyone in here knows and heard you say I will fight Leon Woodstock whenever he wants it. Let's keep it at that.
I'm not going to.
Let's keep it at that.
I'm not going to participate in the recall of when you got beat by Archie Sharp.
It doesn't matter.
And you was doing this with Archie Sharp, and it didn't get you the win. I know you're saying you wouldn't turn.
You've said what you've said, and leave it at that.
Okay, fellas, it's definitely. I think we've established that it's certainly one for the future. Does that answer your question?
Between them two, what are you going on Facebook offering Leon out for then?
Yeah,
Start that nonsense.
We can have the two trainers on the undercard.